Hello everyone, Mahdi again. Okay, so this tutorial's purpose is to show you guys, so what's been happening with Systeme.io, it's not sending emails anymore from a Gmail account or a Ymail or a Hotmail or any free email address. So some of us were forced to go and purchase a professional email address that goes with our domain. So this tutorial, I am going to show you how to add your new email address to Systeme.io, how to add the DNS settings to, in this case, we're going to use Namecheap, and then how to change it into the email boxes. So let us dive into it. So you're going to go to private emails where your email address is going to be. We're going to go down at the bottom where it says earnwithtoniann.com. We're going to click on that little arrow there and say open webmail. We are now going to log into the webmail account. If I were you, I would just go and store this address. Because you're going to log in, it's going to keep you logged in, just for future references for you to be able to access your emails. Okay, I'm just waiting it to finish loading. You can go into reading what's new. You can start a tour. I already know how this works, so I'm not going to do that. Now we're inside of this email box. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this email address, copy it. You're going to go to your Systeme.io. This is your dashboard. Going to go to this little circle here and settings. We're then going to go down to where it says emails. As you can see here on top, it's going to ask for the domain, and at the bottom it's email addresses. So what we're now going to do is going to say, click here to confirm your email address. Going to click there, paste the email address inside of it and say save. What's now going to happen is Systeme.io is going to send this email address a confirmation email. So now we're going to go to the email box. You are going to get an email from Systeme.io that says confirm sender email address in Systeme.io. We're going to click on the little blue where it says confirm. Here, and we say confirm. Now it is successfully confirmed. So if we go and refresh this page now, you will see that it will say verified. So all we now need to do is you need to change the sender's email address, and also the testing email address, because it's not going to allow you to send from that. Let's just check if it's going to take it. Yeah, okay. So the reason it's not taking it is because we haven't added the domain on top. So now we're going to copy the front part of the domain. Okay. So do not get confused if you set up your own system. Here where it says custom domain, we added a domain with a www dot in front of the domain. We added that. Now, here in the emails, we're going to go where it says domain. Click here to authenticate your domain. We're going to click there. paste in the domain, but you will notice now it does not have the www in front. And we say save. Okay, there is a little eye icon. You're going to click there. Now, whenever you speak to me or someone that knows the setups, this is what they call your DNS settings. What we now need to do is add these DNS settings onto Namecheap. So what we're going to do, we are going to highlight the front part. Look where I stop, right in front of the dot. So everything in front of the dot, we're going to copy. Now we're going to head over to Namecheap again. Remember, we are now in Namecheap. There is the domain. We're going to say manage. We'll see domain, products, sharing and transfer, and advanced DNS. We're going to go to advanced DNS. Okay, now you will see a bunch of the same numbers and everything that you see, also other DNS settings. All we're now going to do is add a new record. And we're going to choose CNAME record. Hey, CNAME. We're going to post that front part that we copied and paste it there. Now we're going to go back. So these three you will notice is CNAMEs and the fourth one is TXT. So now we copy the value. That one you can copy the whole part. You don't have to worry about anything. We're going to put it where it says target. I'm going to say add a new CNAME record. Again, copy everything in front of the dot. Copy. Paste at the host. Now we're going to copy the key one system.io and paste. Add a new CNAME record. So now we did system.io, system.io1. We are now going to copy system.io2. Again, everything up until before the dot in front of and with Tony Ann, which will be your domain. And paste. Make sure you do not copy that second dot. Hey, it will not work if you copy that dot with it. Gonna copy the back part. At target, we're gonna say paste. And we're gonna say save all changes. And it is saved. Now we're going to go to the TXT record. Hey, gonna copy the front part. That one you can copy the whole part. Go to add a new record, but this time we're going to add a TXT record. At host, we're going to paste the D mark. Now we're going to go back to settings. Now notice, and please take note of this, it gives you all of that writing and numbers and everything, but it's saying the Gmail email address. We do not want that. So you're going to press on the arrow, choose your new email address and copy. Make sure that you choose the new email address. At value, we're going to say paste. And then we're going to say save all changes. Now, whenever you've spoken to me, if I have done your setup, I would tell you that I'm now waiting for the validation. Now that status says pending. Now we want it to say the same as where it does at the custom domain, which says, and we are back. Now, as you can see, the domain on the email side currently says verify. Now, what we are going to do now is we need to make sure that we change the email sender list. And at the bottom it says testing email. We're going to change that one as well. Then we're going to say save. Now what we have to do is we have to go change the sender email address in all of the emails currently sent. So you're going to go to your emails, campaigns, Legacy Builder program. We are now unfortunately going to have to open each and every single email, and you will see here says sender email address. We're going to have to go and paste in the new email address in there, because otherwise none of your emails will be sending out. So after you have pasted it, you're going to say save and exit. And we do that for all 13 emails, or however many emails you have. If you've added, you don't have to do it with the newsletters because they have already been sent out. But this is an automation. It's going to go out every single day, so we do need to change them. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and let me know if you have any other questions.